Good morning, everyone. I'm Dave. I have stage 5 kidney failure. Welcome to my kidney journey. Yesterday, we completed all 40 topics in Category 3, chronic kidney disease. To finish out this week, I'll be reading out a summary of all 3 categories completed so far. Category 1, anatomy and physiology of kidney failure. Category 2, acute kidney injury. And Category 3, chronic kidney disease. So let's get started with today's first topic, summary of Category 1, anatomy and physiology of kidney failure. To understand kidney failure, it helps to look at how these bean-shaped organs function when they are healthy compared to what happens when their complex filtering system breaks down. Number 1, normal anatomy, filtering architecture. Each kidney contains about 1 million microscopic filtering units called nephrons. Every single nephron is a delicate 2-part structure engineered to clean the blood. The glomerulus, a tiny cluster of looping blood vessels that acts as a sieve. High-pressure blood enters the glomerulus, pushing water, waste, and small molecules through its walls while keeping crucial assets like red blood cells and large proteins safely in the bloodstream. The tubular, a long winding tube attached to the glomerulus. As the filtered fluid travels down the tubular, the kidneys carefully reabsorb almost all the water and vital minerals like sodium, potassium, and calcium back into the body. What is left behind becomes urine. 2. Physiology. The major jobs of a healthy kidney. The kidneys do far more than just make urine. They act as the body's ultimate chemical balance regulators. Their primary physiological responsibilities include waste clearance, filtering out metabolic byproduct like urea from protein breakdown and creatinine from muscle wear and tear. Electrolyte and fluid balancing, meticulously adjusting levels of sodium, potassium, and phosphorus to keep nerve conduction, muscle contraction, and cellular hydration perfectly stable. Blood pressure control, producing an enzyme called renin, which regulates blood volume and vascular constriction. Hormone production, secretion of the EPA hormone, which tells the bone marrow to produce red blood cells and activating vitamin D so the body can absorb calcium. 3. Pathophysiology. What happens in kidney failure? Whether it happens suddenly, acute kidney injury, or over many years, chronic kidney disease, kidney failure means the nephrons have become damaged and can no longer keep up with the body's demands. When a critical mass of nephrons is lost, the remaining healthy ones try to compensate by filtering at a higher pressure known as hyperfiltration. Over time, this extra stress scars them as well as leading to a cascade of physiological failures. The accumulation of uremic toxins. And as the glomerular filtration rate declines, waste like urea and creatinine build up in the blood. This condition, known as uremia, can cause severe fatigue, nausea, systemic inflammation, and mental fog, fluid overload, and electrolyte chaos. Without functioning tubulars to balance mineral secretion, the body struggles to eliminate excess fluid and specific ions. Sodium and water, retained in the tissue, leading to swelling known as edema. High blood pressure and strain on the heart. Potassium levels can rise dangerously, known as hyperkalemia, disrupting the electrical signals of the heart and threatening cardiac arrest. Phosphorus buildup in the bloodstream, pulling calcium out of the bones and making them weak and brittle. Secondary systemic disruptions. Because the kidney's hormonal pathways are compromised, failing kidneys stop producing enough EPA hormone, which often results in chronic anemia, low red blood cell count. Additionally, the loss of blood pressure regulation frequently creates a vicious cycle where worsening kidney damage drives up blood pressure, which in turn causes further kidney scarring. Okay, everyone, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed that. That's summary of Category 1, anatomy and physiology of kidney failure, all completed. If you like what I'm doing, please hit like, follow, and share. Helps continue getting this story out there. I'll be back later on this afternoon to do summary of Category 2, acute kidney injury. Have a great day. Be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. I'll see you all again later. Bye.